First this evening, it appears that the zones of special operations will not be ending anytime soon, as they are still threats to national security.
That's a suggestion from Prime Minister Andrew Holness as he discussed that and other crime-related matters in an interview with our news centre.
And is a foreign government influencing the Prime Minister's choice for a new national security advisor? TVJ's Andrea Chisholm has a story.
Murders in Denham Town, West Kingston, even though a zone of Special Operations ZOSO is in effect for the area, leaving many to question its effectiveness there. Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared publicly that ZOSO's success was partially dependent on the area being murder-free. And now, with reality setting in,
it shows you something, which a point that must be made, that the zones are not short-term. The zones have to exist for a long period of time because the security threats still exist outside of the zone, and the police are going to do special operations in and around Denham Town to make sure that there are no other incidents of that nature.
Now, with Major General Anthony Anderson being the new police commissioner, expectations are high given his credentials. We pointed out, though, that General Anderson was the country's national security advisor last year when murders surpassed 1,600. For the Prime Minister, his job was to do just that, give advice. But now Major Anderson is responsible for doing what's on paper.
The challenge that we have had is never with the policy and the strategy and the advice. The problem has always been implementation and execution.
So, who will replace General Anderson as National Security Advisor? The Prime Minister is in no hurry to fill the sensitive position, and that person should have the technical know-how on not just security matters, but also government.
Are you considering former Police Commissioner Owen Ellington as your National Security Advisor?
I am not at this moment going to say what my considerations are.
Have you been receiving any pressure from any foreign power about who should or should not be a National Security Advisor?
Absolutely not.
And to Mr. Ellington?
Absolutely not. No foreign power could or should, or would it be appropriate, seek to tell the government of Jamaica and myself as Prime Minister who I should take or not take as an advisor.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.